Good morning, welcome to GrainTV. My name's Cody Bills, this is Logan Burgess. Today is October 11th, the supply and demand report day. Let's get right into the price action, see how the market's reacted here. Corn for December trading up 32 1/4, beans trading up 31 1/2, Chicago wheat trading up 20 1/4, and Kansas City wheat trading up 24. Logan, what's the reason behind this rally this morning?
Well, Cody, I think we can sum up the action here by saying we're seeing a relief rally right now in the grains. Coming in to this report, we had a lot of people specifically looking at beans. We're very concerned that we were going to get a quite bearish report here. If we take a look at what was actually reported, actual yield reported at 37.8 bushels per acre. That was higher than the average trade guess, but we saw private analysts FC Stone and Informa both come out north of 38. I think that got some people very concerned that this market was going to be moving lower. They positioned themselves on the short side. This report isn't firm confirmation of that. They're having to close those out. As I said earlier, a relief rally here. As we turn our attention to production, 2.866 billion bushels there, higher than what the trade was expecting. If we take a look though at ending stocks, coming in here 4 million bushels lower than kind of the average trade guess. We did have higher production. But if we take a look at the demand side of the scenario, we had the USDA make some sharp revisions higher for export sales, 210 million bushels higher there, 40 million bushels higher on the crushings for soybeans. Confirmation here that the demand remains very strong. We've had an exceptionally strong pace, but the USDA has now raised the bar in terms of the pace we need here throughout the rest of the marketing year. We're going to need to see confirmation of these export sales moving forward.
Yeah, that sounds fair enough. As for corn, let's get right into that. I think it's a little bit more bullish story. We had yields come in lower than analysts' expectations, around 122 compared to the expectations of 122.9. If you look at the ending stocks, we also came in lower. We came in right around 619. That is a very small amount of ending stocks, and I think that means that the margin for error here on the demand side of the equation really is very slim. So I think this is a bullish story here. I think prices are going to have to stay at these loftier levels simply to ration the demand to the levels that the USDA is expecting here. You know, I think the other thing, the other bullish part of this is the harvested acreage. We had a 0.3 million acre increase in harvested acres in the USDA report this month. I think that there's analysts out there that are expecting to see a big cut, or at least a significant cut in this harvested acreage number, simply because of abandonment. However, the other side of the equation is that insurance companies are actually pressuring their farmers to harvest all their acres here. That could leave these harvested acres numbers a little bit higher. So the bottom line is, if they leave it at these levels, I think it's factored into the market. If they surprise and they come lower here with harvested acreage, I think that would be bullish. So the bottom line here is I'm neutral to bullish on corn right now.
Right, certainly. Well, with this report, the U.S. supply side of the equation is made a bit more clear. Moving forward here, the demand side of the equation is going to be critical over the next 6 months, specifically the export sales report that we get each Thursday. We'll keep you posted on that here on GrainTV. Additionally, supply out of South America is going to be really moving this market, specifically out of Argentina and Brazil. We saw the USDA not adjust their soybean production at Brazil number this morning at all. People are going to be looking at that closely here moving forward, but we'll keep you posted on that on GrainTV. Additionally, we'll be watching the market close here. We'll be tweeting about it all day at GrainTV is where you can find us. I think that wraps up our show here for Thursday morning for the USDA report. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow.